Hello and welcome to the solution table. I am Mahitofo. This is the first video on the channel, the solution table. This channel is dedicated to solving out simple math questions and IQ questions. But today I play a puzzle from Microsoft Student Encounter 2009. The object of this puzzle is to correctly grab an African country and correctly position it on the blank African continent. The progress in this puzzle can also be measured by the number of attempts and the number of positive attempts. By clicking on the play again button here, the countries automatically shuffle. Therefore, there isn't any head start advantage. Now let's play the puzzle. What I normally do is to identify some of the large countries to begin with, like Zambia here in the south, Algeria in the north, Botswana right here in the south, Liberia, very small country in the west of Africa, Ghana, my homeland, Morocco, Egypt in the north of Africa, Tunisia, the smallest country in North Africa, South Africa, one of the most developed African countries, Dr. Congo, the largest African country, Benin in the west, Niger, Dr. Congo, Madagascar. Africa without Madagascar is not Africa. Kenya in the eastern Africa, Sudan, now into North and South Sudan, Tanzania, Malawi in the south, Mali in the north, in the west, Namibia in the south, Sierra Leone, a small country in West Africa, Eritrea, a very small country by the east, Guinea, Mauritania, so in the West Africa, Mozambique, Burkina Faso, Somalia, Gabon, Ethiopia, Angola in the south, Chad, Cameroon, Togo, sandwich between Ghana and Benin, Uganda, Nigeria, the most populated African country, Zimbabwe, Mugabe, Cote d'Ivoire, close to Ghana in the west, Senegal, so in the west, Central African Republic, Libya, Gaddafi in the north, less than few countries, Lesotho, Rwanda, I wonder, Guinea-Bissau in the west, over here, Equatorial Guinea, the Central Africa, Djibouti should be somewhere here near Somalia, good. Burundi near Kenya also. Swaziland, the smallest South African country in the south, and Gambia, the smallest West African country. Oh, I made 48 attempts and I had all of them right. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe